Embracing equity to me means that we're not only giving people the same opportunities within the same company and we're being fair and impartial, it also means that we're giving everyone the right tools and support.
Qu'est-ce que signifie l'équité? C'est de ne pas avoir d'idées préconçues des gens.
It means letting go of preconceived notions you might have about people. It's about letting people surprise you and giving them the space to do so.
Not everyone is able to ride the same bike for the same race. However, if we give them an adapted bike for them, that means we're giving equal and fair opportunity for everyone based on embracing equity.
J'ai un grand sentiment d'appartenance pour mon travail. Travailler en équipe, se faire écouter, c'est vraiment génial de travailler de cette façon-là et je me sens bien soutenue.
As a Wurth Canada employee, I constantly feel supported. It doesn't matter in whatever job, task, or whatever thing I'm trying to complete that day for a customer, I know I will have support from.
There's no one way to be a woman or a man or a human being on this planet. And I think when we embrace that diversity, we realize that ultimately the things that we all care about is what really brings us together. It's things like friends and family and safety.